Njengoba kuzoqala amaholide asehlobo, indawo yaseMthatha ibonakala idonsa kanzima ekheheni isivakashi. Ufikile Faku ongumhleli wemicimbi yokuqeda isizungu uthi ukudlanga kobugebengu kuthikameze kakhulu.
We realize that this year there's no big event that is taking place up in Mthatha. Some of the things that people highlighted was a lack of financial support, more especially from the municipalities. Yes, they do support small-scale events, but the events that, the impactful events, like the big events, they don't get the necessary support.
Ezokuvakasha nazo zikhahlamezekile kule ndawo yaseMthatha njengoba isikhungo esigcina umlando namagugu iNelson Mandela Museum naso sehlelwe isibalo sezivakashi. Umphathi waso uBongani Mahlangu uthi bashayeke kakhulu ngalesimo.
We must be realistic and outline that challenge, in terms of how the region is perceived as a high crime rate area filled with extortionism is still there. And that has created a challenge for many tourists who have identified the place as a red zone, and as such, they try and divert as far away from this place as possible.
Uqiniswa kwezokuphepha eMthatha kungase kuthele izithelo ezinhle emnothweni waleli dolobha elikhulukazi esifundazweni Eastern Cape.